everybody, welcome back to my channel. And yes, I'm doing an outside edition of the Dollar Tree. I went to visit my parents. I'm at my parents' house right now, so I'm in my lovely backyard. So I thought, why not share with you guys a video. Now you're gonna hear some humming because my air conditioner is just right there, but I went to the Dollar Tree. I love going to the Dollar Tree when I visit my parents because I never know what I'm gonna find, and I like some of the Dollar Trees in this area so much better than where I live. And in some of the areas that I live, it's so trashy. It's just like bleh. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now the first thing I am so excited that I found, I wasn't even expecting it. I didn't see it in anybody's hauls until I got home last night. But is the RustOleum Never Wet Multi-Service. Now, this is the frosted clear. Now, I did price check these, and I think like Home Depot, Menards sells these for like $20. But I am so excited to get these, and I ended up getting a bunch of these because I plan on doing products. Like, you can use it for interior, exterior stuff. Metal, wood, concrete, aluminum, galvanized metal, PVC, masonry, asphalt, vinyl, plastic, so much more stuff that I thought, why not do something like this? Like, this would be perfect for some of my wreaths that I want to do, just kind of seal them. And I had to get it. I had to get it. So I ended up getting four. No, I got four of them. I left the other one in the house. But I ended up getting four of them. I just have three of them right here with me. But I am so excited to finally use these. So I had to definitely get those to work on. And my husband's like, you should have gotten more. So I don't know. We'll figure it out. I ended up finding these origami. Now this is CrazyArt, which is a brand name. It's not a big brand name, but it is a brand name. But these are the origami paper folding kits. Now this is for 6 and plus. And I like these. They had circus ones. They had dinosaurs, but the dinosaurs look kind of boring. But this I thought would be kind of cute. It's like unicorns and rainbows and stuff. I thought maybe I could make something like this, but you can make 12 origamis, which I thought would be super cute. I'm excited to make like the unicorn and the star. So I thought this would be a good project to work with Ben. So definitely wanted to get that to share with you guys. I found these. Now, I don't know if these are new or been around, but I ended up getting these color your own poster set. Now, I got Mickey Mouse and the Roadster Racers, but there is 14 posters inside. Now, some of it looks like it's this regular stuff. Some of it looks like it's the velvet posters. Yeah, mini posters, glitter posters, and velvet posters. So I thought that'd be kind of cool. And then these are all the designs that they have inside. So I thought, had to get that. This would be a good project to work on with Ben. Just wanted to get that. And then they also had Lightning McQueen. Again, 12 sets? 14 sets. So 14. And then these are all the designs that they have for that. And then here is that. So I'm sorry if I'm like recording weird, you guys. I'm using my little tiny little camera that I do vlogging stuff with. So I have no idea. I can't see me. I can't see if this is recording. I have no idea if the battery's gonna die on me, and I just keep talking to myself. But just wanted to share with you guys that I'm recording a lot differently. I had to like take my phone and make sure I'm looking. Now I found these things. These are called bonbons, and they look like little like candy things, but they're like, it's like a blind bag. And I saw one that was open, and I thought this is kind of cute. But they're like little thingies inside of it. And Ben's really into blind bags lately, and we've been a week free of diaper free for a whole week. And I thought every time he kind of, you know, does really good, after a while I kind of give him a little treat. So I had to definitely get him something like this. I thought he'd like this, you know, do some unboxing stuff for that. So wanted to share with you guys on that. He is obsessed with Shopkins lately. I don't know why. We've only had one Shopkins that we ever bought, but he's just like, Mom, I like Shopkins. I like Shopkins. So I found some Band-Aids. I don't know how he'll like them, but I'm like, I'll get them. Otherwise, if he's not going to wear them, I'll definitely wear them because these are super, super cute. But I ended up getting some Shopkin Band-Aids. Now, I also found another place that had Jurassic World, and I'm like, I got so much Band-Aids, but I'm like, I'll get Shopkins. Let me know what you guys think about this, but we're doing a birthday party for Ben in about 2 months, and I'm doing Easter egg hunt for his birthday party. is Band-Aids kind of weird putting them in the little baskets? I don't know. I'm just going to do stickers, so. I found these erasers. Now these are donut erasers, rainbow, unicorn. I thought these are super cute. They are starting to get their school supplies in, so you guys will see a lot of that stuff. But I thought erasers are like good for erasing, but they're also good for kids playing with. So I got these to put in the little Easter baskets or Easter eggs when we do for Ben's birthday party, because there's probably going to be about, I don't know, 8 kids. So I thought trucks and tractors and all that stuff, and then also the unicorns. I thought these would be cool little things to put inside the baskets. Now you guys can make fun of me all you guys want. Every time I go to a Dollar Tree, I always look for movies, because every time I go to a different Dollar Tree, I find different movies. It's like they only send them to certain stores and that is it. So I always am on a hunt looking for movies, and you guys can make fun of me all you want, but I Love Jonas. I know. I can't remember if this is the one. I think this is the one where they're in school. I can't remember. There was the Jonas, where they're living at their house in a fire station. And then there's the one where they're at school, I think, or it's the same one. I can't remember. Yeah, I think this is it, because the other one was they're at a beach house. I know you guys. I'm kind of old for the Jonas Brothers. I hated them for the longest time, but then I'm like, actually, I like their music, and then I went crazy. But I thought for $1, I'm gonna get this. And one thing I do like about all the Disney DVDs is the Disney Rewards program. You guys, if you haven't joined that, if you guys get Disney movies and you haven't joined that, definitely do that. You just have to enter every single code you get with a movie, and sometimes you get 100 points to 200 and something points. And I've gotten free DVDs with just that. I've gotten a couple other things, but I mostly get DVDs, so definitely do that if you guys have it. I'm always interested in it. But I was so excited to get I Love Jonas. I have not found these anywhere. I also haven't been watching anybody's hauls, but there is only 7 episodes with this. But I don't care. It's the Jonas Brothers, so make fun of me all you guys want. I know. Ben, since he's been going potty lately, we really try to get him to wash his hands, and he's like, no, I don't want to wash my hands. So I thought maybe get him some, there's bugs out here. I thought maybe get him some kid soap. Now he's not really into Spider-Man, but he does like Spider-Man, you know. He's slowly getting into all of that stuff, and I'm like, maybe I should get him some Spider-Man soap. I don't know how well this is, but I mean, a lot of the stuff is pretty decent. But this is web slinging watermelon scented, so it's going to smell like watermelon, but I thought maybe that might help him. Stupid bugs. Ah! I thought this might help him, you know, maybe wash his hands a little bit better, so wanted to give that a try. And then we were at the $1 Tree. I saw these people haul these a long time ago. I've always been trying to find them. I have no idea if they had bigger ones or not, but I ended up finding the canvases. Now, I've been searching everywhere for these because I thought these are super cute, and for a, well, they're not cute, but I thought for $1, why not? Why not? So I ended up getting 3 of them. I did have 4 in my hands, but I ended up deciding I only need 3. So I thought this would be a good project if I want Ben to start painting and working stuff on, or just something. I mean, for $1, that is awesome. I mean, these look like your regular, well, they're 6 by 8. So I thought maybe he could put a handprint or do some kind of designing or stuff. But I was so excited to find these canvas prints everywhere. And then I ended up, we were about to leave, and I did find a bunch of that silk and Barbasol. Now, if you guys watched my last haul, I did a haul where I found the oil. Well, now I found silk body wash. I found silk shampoo and conditioner. I found the Barbasol body wash. I was going to take a picture of it, but I don't really do the pictures when I do my Dollar Tree haul. But I thought, oh, that'd be good, and I would totally get it if I didn't get that stuff for free. So, I mean, not free at Dollar Tree, but just all that stuff in general. Otherwise, I would have totally got it. But, yeah. But then as we were leaving, I found this. It says Vacation Fund. I like the jars, and I do save some of my money, but I thought this would be kind of cool just to, you know, my husband has loose change anywhere, we just put it in a jar. Now, they had Vacation Fund or Saving for a Rainy Day, but I thought Vacation Fund because I ended up saving loose change at for what, 4 years I saved loose change, and that's what kind of bought our tickets for Disney World when we went. Is I had like, and I did a video, I showed you guys a video of us collecting all of our loose change, but thought this is super cute. One thing I do want to mention is a lot of you guys are doing this, the t-shirt designs. Thank you guys very much for ordering t-shirts. It does end on Tuesday, so I'm just letting you guys know on that for those who haven't ordered a t-shirt. But a lot of you guys mentioned that you want coffee mugs and stuff, and I'm like, I was thinking maybe I could start designing something like that. I'm going to start figuring out things, and maybe we could start like a little coupon and design thing, but this kind of just reminded me of doing something like that, so I definitely wanted to get that. But I got more stuff. I thought was done, but I guess I wasn't. And then I ended up getting cotton balls. I'm trying to, I don't know, maybe I just need them for just whatever. Now these are the kind of thick cotton balls, so I usually kind of just rip them apart because I don't need the whole thing, but I just needed them because I needed some stuff, so definitely got some cotton balls. But yes, that was my haul. I think I did pretty good. I've just kind of slowed down on a Dollar Tree haul. I didn't do one last week because I just didn't feel like going. And now since the back to school items are coming, maybe I'll find some new stuff. But the thing that I was so excited, you guys, for was this RustOleum. I mean, I price checked it. It's like 20 bucks at Home Depot is what they wanted for. But some places sold it cheaper online, but I don't know how much shipping and handling was. But I'm pretty excited to try this. I do think it works well because it has been around for many years, but I love spray painting, and I'm really hoping this works well with my, I hope it really works well with me, with my wreaths. But I'm just going to open this up real quick. So one of them is step 2. Okay, so the base coat, what's the diff? I don't know, just one's the base coat and the other one's the top coat. But I saw somebody do this, and there is instructions in here. I saw somebody do this with like a t-shirt. I want to kind of buy a t-shirt and then spray this on the t-shirt and then see how well it doesn't stain my clothes. I don't know if you guys are interested in like a little test like that. Please let me know, because I don't know, I'll just pour wet paint or ketchup or mustard or whatever all on me and see what happens. But yes, that is my Dollar Tree haul. I think I did pretty good. I am going to another Dollar Tree tomorrow, so if I find anything good, I will definitely stay tuned for that. Or you guys will have to watch that for the next Sunday. We're going to Winona, Minnesota, and that's just like about 30 minutes from my parents' house. And I always find stuff at that Dollar Tree. Like that Dollar Tree, it's a big Dollar Tree, but I love it. I'm always finding stuff. So I'm hoping I find some goodies to share with you guys, because I don't know, I feel like Dollar Tree's been kind of slacking and I'm just rambling. So yes, but if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so I can share with you guys on more Dollar Tree hauls, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.